Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the previous class, we are discussing the differentiation, sum and difference rule. So in this class, let us discuss the product rule. Okay. So product rule. Product rule means y is equal to u into v. Two functions are there, in between two functions there is a no sign, then it is called as in the product rule. So let us write the formula here. So product rule, dy by dx is equal to differentiation of y with respect to x, first function is u, differentiation of second function, then plus second function differentiation of first function. This is the formula you already taken. Okay, so let us solve the problems on this. The first problem, let us take if y is equal to x square sin x, x square sin x, find dy by dx, find dy by dx here. So y is equal to x square sin x, x square sin x is there. So here two functions, so this is a function, and between the two functions there is a no sign, then it is called as a product rule. So x square is a function and sin x is a function. Let us consider u and v. So let us apply the formula here. Differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to x square is the first function, sin x is the second function. The differentiation of sin x with respect to x plus second function is the sin x as it is, then differentiation of the first function is differentiation of x square, you should write. So here now apply the formula, you know the formula. So x square as it is, sin x differentiation is cos x, then plus sin x as it is, then differentiation of x square is 2x. By using the formula, x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so this is the answer. So now let us take the second problem. If y is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 3. So given in the previous class, so this problem we have solved in the what method? Sum and difference rule, by multiplying the factors. Now we can solve this problem in the product rule. So y is equal to x plus 2 into x minus 3. So let us take here the first function is x plus 2, then the second function is x minus 3, then plus second function as it is, the first function is x plus 2. So let us write the differentiation here. So what is the differentiation? Dy by dx. So what is the first function? X plus 2. Then the second function is, so x minus 3. X differentiation is 1. Then 3 differentiation is constant, means 0, plus x minus 3 as it is. The differentiation of x is 1. Then differentiation of 2 is 0. Then dy by dx is equal to x plus 2 into 1 plus x minus 3 into 1. So if you open the brackets and multiply with x plus 2, then here x minus 3. Then you can add this one. So plus x, 1x means 2x. Here minus 3 plus 2 means minus 1. So this is the answer. So this is the product rule. You can solve the product rule problem. Now let us take another problem here. So third problem, y is equal to x square plus 2x into root x. So let us apply the formula here. Differentiation of y with respect to x is equal to first function is x square plus 2x, differentiation of second function, then plus second function differentiation of first function. So here x square plus 2x, then differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x, then root x as it is. Here x square differentiation is 2x plus 2 into 1. 2 is a constant and x is a function. So now you can write here x square plus 2x by 2 root x plus root x into 2x plus 2. So this is the answer. Okay. So I'll give the problems on this. So let us take that one for assignment as assignment questions. So first one, differentiate the following with respect to x. The first one is y is equal to root x secant x. Second one, x to the power of n tan x. Y is equal to x to the power of 5 e to the power of x. X to the power of 8 log x. One minus x square into cos x, x cube into 3 cot x minus 5, x square plus 1 into 1 minus 2x square, 1 plus root x, x minus 1 by x, 2x cube minus 1 into x to the power of 4, 7x square minus 1. Ax square plus bx plus c into ax plus b. Secant x into log x minus 3x square. 3 to the power of x minus log x into cosecant x. Okay, these are the 15 problems on the product rule. So you have to solve these problems. So ये problem है 15 ही. So product rule में so practice के वास्ते you have to practice because I am giving the problems for you should remember the formulas. Okay, if you solve these problems you can easily remember the formulas. So let us continue the next rule in the next class, that is quotient rule. Okay.